Everything you've been told about brightening your skin is actually wrong. Most people trying to brighten up their skin end up making it darker without even realizing it. The reason is they focus more on their body lotion and ignore the soap that they are using every single day. See, when you pair the wrong body soap with the right body lotion, it actually cancels out the ingredients that could brighten your skin.
Go girl.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful soap and body lotion combos that will brighten your dull skin, smoothen your rough texture, and even out your skin tone. So if you want a beautiful, bright, radiant, glowing complexion, then this is the video for you. Guess what? This combo is actually suitable for all skin types and complexion. So if you're fair skin, dark, chocolate, or caramel skin tone, you can use any of this combo to achieve that bright, beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin. Now, let's kick things off with a super simple combo that gives almost an instant glow. The first skin brightening combo I have for you guys will have to be combining your extract soap together with this Nivea Radiance and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. This is one of the best affordable brightening combo that is going to give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. This combo right here is actually suitable for all skin types and complexion, as long as you want your skin to look all bright and glowing. Now, extract isn't just a regular soap. It's packed with enzymes that helps to remove dead skin cells and polish your skin to reveal a more brighter, even toned complexion. Now, using this extract soap in every shower is going to help cleanse your skin without stripping your skin of its natural moisture and also gently exfoliating your skin. So extract soap is a really nice soap. It contains different amazing ingredients that will help to brighten and glow your complexion. Now, imagine pairing it with this Nivea Radiance and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. This Nivea Radiance and Even Glow Body Lotion helps to support your natural skin tone and give it an even radiant glow. So using it immediately after having your shower with your extract soap is going to make sure your bright skin sticks around. Having these two combos in your skincare routine will team up to give you a brighter, glowing complexion. Your skin is definitely going to look all smooth, all bright and glowy. Like, it's going to give you a clear, beautiful skin. So if you want your skin looking bright and gorgeous without spending much money, then this is the right combo you should definitely go add in your skincare routine. It's going to give you a beautiful, glowing skin. It's a simple combo, yet it's very much effective. So go try this out and come and thank me later. Now, the next combo I have for you guys is pairing or combining this Olay Vitamin C Body Wash together with the Advanced Clinicals Brightening Cream. This is an absolute glow boosting combo for anyone battling with a dull looking skin. See, hear me out. If your skin is no longer giving like it used to, or maybe it's now looking all dull or tired, like you don't really know what to do, it have gone from being bright and glowy to looking just dull, then this is the one combo I would definitely recommend you go use. This Olay Vitamin C Body Wash contains vitamin C as its active ingredient. And you guys know that vitamin C is one ingredient that will make your skin look brighter, glowy, and refreshed. So one thing I really love about this Olay Vitamin C Body Wash is the fact that it will gently cleanse your skin and gradually boost your glow. So using it together with this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Lotion, which on its own is also another body cream that will help to brighten your skin, glow your skin, and even out your complexion. So here is what you're doing when you pair these two combos together. Now, the Olay body wash already contains vitamin C. So when you wash your skin with this product, it will gradually like cleanse your skin and brighten it up. Now, pairing or going in with your Advanced Clinicals immediately after using your Olay Vitamin C body wash is going to ensure that that vitamin C does not just go away. You're going to infuse it back into your body as your body lotion. So instead of washing away your glow, you're layering the same brightening ingredients back into your skin. And that's exactly why this combo works so well. Your body wash prepares your skin while your body lotion fits it with the moisture and the nutrients that it needs to actually look bright and glowy. So if you want a bright, beautiful, glowing skin, then this is one combo you should definitely go try. So if your skin have been looking dull and tired this whole time, then go cop this particular one. It's going to help rejuvenate your skin, brighten your complexion, and give you a beautiful radiant skin. And the best part, it also helps with uneven skin tone. So if you have some pigmentation or discoloration on your body, this body care combo would definitely help with that. Up next, we have this Asantee Papaya Brightening Soap paired together with your KOEC Turmeric Vitamin C Brightening Lotion. This is a simple combo that is going to leave you with a clear, healthy, soft, smooth, beautiful, bright, glowing skin. This is actually one brightening body care combo I've put a client on since last year, and the guy keeps coming back to repurchase, and that's to show how good or amazing this combo is. With this combo, you obviously do not need to do too much. Asantee Papaya soap is a popular soap, quite alright, and that's because it contains natural enzymes that helps to exfoliate your skin and remove the dead skin cells sitting on the surface of your skin and preventing your skin not to glow. Asantee soap is one of the best soaps that can brighten and glow your complexion, and that's because it has exfoliating properties. So when the dead skin cells are removed, your skin is definitely going to look smooth and brighter. Following up with this KOEC Turmeric Vitamin C Lotion will support your skin and make it look bright and even toned. So you're basically feeding your skin with a combo that will refresh, smoothen, soften, brighten, and instantly glow your skin. This combo is absolutely great, especially if you want your skin to look smooth, fresh, and popping at the same time. If you want a clear glowing skin, then this is the combo I would definitely recommend you go use. You will have a healthy radiant skin. Now if your problem is a rough textured skin, then this next combo is for you. The next or fourth combo I have for you guys would be combining or pairing this Dove Glow Recharge Body Wash together with your AmLactin Vitamin C Body Lotion. This combo right here, this combo right here is actually what your skin needs. This combo is going to tackle your rough, textured, bumpy skin and make it all smooth, all soft, all bright and glowy at the same time. See, if you want an extra smooth, soft, beautiful, glowing, bright skin, then go cop this particular combo. You would definitely love everything about this one. Now, here's the thing. When your skin texture isn't smooth, your brightening products will not just show any effect. Like you will just be applying your brightening lotion or brightening product, and it will not just be looking like it's doing anything for you. And that's exactly why this combo focuses on smoothing and brightening your skin. This Dove Recharge Body Wash is going to help cleanse your skin, refresh your skin, and prep your skin. Now, the real magic here is actually your AmLactin lotion, because it contains both lactic acid and vitamin C. And you guys know that lactic acid is an AHA, that is an alpha hydroxy acid that helps to remove or sweep away dead skin cells that are piled up on your skin. Now, once that lactic acid is done sweeping away like the dust on the floor, the vitamin C goes in to actually cause your skin to look more bright, radiant, and give you an even toned complexion. So with this particular combo, you will be getting an extra soft, smoother, brighter, glowing complexion. Your skin is going to look even toned and radiant. So you see, this combo right here actually works wonders. It will smoothen, soften, and glow your skin. So if you're in to have a healthy, bright, even toned, glowing skin, then this is one combo you should not be sleeping on. Is going to do wonders on your skin. Now let's get into the most advanced combo in this video. The next combo I have for you guys would be combining this Naturium the Brightener Vitamin C body wash together with this Prolab Brightening body lotion. This last combo is the most advanced combo in this video. This is a powerful soap and lotion combo you can never go wrong with, especially if you're trying to brighten your skin, tone up your complexion, and have a sweet, beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin. See, if you want a lot of people to be complimenting your skin and you want your skin to just be shining and glowing, then this is one combo that will definitely have your skin popping. This right here will transform your skin. It will nicely polish your skin and make it attractive, and at the same time brighten it up. The Naturium body wash is a good brightening and glow body wash that will help to soften, smoothen, and glow your skin tone. Now imagine when you now bring in this Prolab brightening body lotion that is infused with niacinamide and alpha arbutin. What you're going to be getting with this too is just absolute magic. Like, you will have your mind being blown when you pair these two together. It's not a combo that you will buy and you will regret. It's definitely going to give you a nice, healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. Your skin will be popping. Like, the glow will definitely be on another level. The body wash is amazing, and so is the body lotion. So go try this out and you will definitely understand what I'm talking about. You will love the effect on your skin. Now, if you cannot lay your hands on the Naturium brightening body wash, you can easily get this Duchess shower gel and pair it together with the Prolab brightening body lotion. It also gives similar results. This combo will definitely leave you with a bright, beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin. No cap. Now let me put you guys onto a bonus combo. How on earth are we going to be talking about brightening combos and forget to talk about this particular combo? And that is pairing or combining your advanced Korean body lotion together with your advanced Korean body wash. You see these two products right here, they will brighten and glow your skin. This is a powerful lotion and soap combo. In fact, the brand already knows what's in their body lotion, and that's exactly why when you pair these two together, your skin will definitely look all bright, all radiant, and glowy. You're going to have that even toned complexion. It's not going to make you darker. It's definitely going to brighten, tone up your skin, and give you a healthy looking skin. It doesn't bleach the skin. In fact, you will definitely see your skin looking blended and uniformly toned. If you know, you know. Now, you need to remember that combos like this work best when you use them consistently. So try to be consistent with any of these combos, and you're definitely going to see your skin looking all bright and glowy. These are 5 powerful soap and lotion combos that will leave you with a bright, healthy, beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin. Your skin will definitely be popping and your glow will look totally enhanced. So go try out any of those combos and watch your skin go from a 0 to 100 real quick. And don't forget, no matter the combo you choose, always ensure you sun protect your skin. Use a good sunscreen during the day, and you're definitely going to have your skin shining and radiating all the goodness. So pairing the right soap and lotion together can actually change how your skin looks and feels. Now, I'm curious, which combo would you be trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're still confused on what combo to go for, you can actually comment your skin type and your skin consign, and I'll put you on to the best one for you. Now, we also offer a one-on-one consultation section in case you're struggling to get your skin together. I hope today's video was very helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.